In today's fast-paced world, sharing large files for collaboration has become essential for productivity and innovation. However, many of us encounter significant challenges when it comes to sharing large files, such as slow upload speeds and file size limitations. Let's explore some reliable cloud storage solutions that make sharing large files easier than ever. One effective way to share large files is by utilizing advanced file compression techniques to significantly reduce their sizes. Many collaborative platforms now support large files natively, making teamwork seamless. Additionally, there are specialized file transfer services designed explicitly for moving large data effortlessly. It's crucial to keep your shared files secure. Implementing strong passwords and encryption can help protect your data. Managing shared files and folders properly ensures that everyone is on the same page and reduces confusion. Remember, effective communication is key in collaboration. Ensure all team members are informed about file sharing processes. To conclude, by employing these efficient methods, you'll ensure seamless collaboration on any project, regardless of file size.